welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys this really quick and easy Valentine's Day makeup look. Regardless if you guys are celebrating Valentine's Day, Galentine's Day, or celebrating it all by yourself, if you guys are confused as to what makeup to rock this Valentine's Day, then I have got you covered. This is a very simple and quick easy makeup look, just like all of my makeup tutorials. In case if you guys like this makeup look and want to know how I achieved it, then please continue watching. Okay, so you guys, I've got nothing on my face except for some moisturizer, some lip balm, and a little bit of sunscreen. I do have my eyebrows on and I use the NYX Thick It Slick It eyebrow gel. I have been really loving this eyebrow gel. It's the best. Okay, so I want my skin to look really nice and dewy and glowy and jutzy, so I'm going to be using an illuminating primer. This one is by Sugar. This is their Bling Leader illuminating primer in the shade 02 Pink Tripping. For my base makeup, I don't want my face to look too heavy or cakey, so that's why I'm using a skin tint, and I'm going to be using this one by Rimmel. This is their Kind and Free Moisturizing Skin Tint Foundation in the shade 210 Golden Beige. Can you see how pretty and evened out my skin tone looks without looking too much? I love this skin tint so much. For concealer, I'm going to be using two different concealer. One is more of my skin tone and one is 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. So the first one I'm using is going to be the PAC one. The other concealer is by Rimmel. It's their Multitasker Concealer. So this time I'm going to be using my beauty blender to blend everything out, starting from the centers of my face and then blending the concealer on my under eyes. I'm going to be doing a little bit of cream contouring today, so for that I'm going to be using my Sephora contour stick. I haven't used this in quite a while and I really want to use this one because summers mein to isko main use hi nahi kar paungi. So for blush, I'm going to be using a cream blush by Eyeliner. It is their Dream Blush in the shade Flamingo Pink. I'm dragging the blush also towards my apples. That's going to make my face look a little bit more cute. So to set everything in place, first I'm going to be using my Nykaa compact powder. So I'm just going to take that on the powder puff, tap the powder into the puff, and then just set my under eyes. I'm going to leave the base as is for now, and I'm going to be moving on to my eyes, and the eyes are very simple. So first I'm going to be taking this Kajal pencil by Maybelline. This is in the shade dark brown, I believe. I'm going to take this liner and start from my lower lash line first. I'm going to extend the eyeliner outwards. So once you have something like this, I am going to drag the liner inwards. Don't worry, take your time doing this step. It doesn't have to be neat and precise. Once you have an eyeliner that looks like this, take your pencil brush, and I'm going to be using a dark brown shade. I'm going to be using this brown shade from the Mars palette, and I'm just going to be blending out this eyeliner. Okay, so while blending the eyeshadow, make sure that you're stopping midway, right where your pupils are, like the center of your pupils are. Do not bring this eyeshadow all the way in because it's going to close your eyes and you don't want that. Okay, once this is done, I'm going to be taking this matte muted mauve peachy shade, and I'm going to be taking that on a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to be applying this eyeshadow all over my eyelid. Also going to be taking that shadow on my lower lash line. Taking this gold metallic eyeshadow, I'm going to be popping it right on the center of my eyelid and also on the center of my lower lash line. So can you see how it's bringing more attention towards my eyes and making my eyes look more doll-like? That's exactly what you want. Popping on some highlighter on my inner corner and my brow bone. Eyes are almost done, so I'm gonna be taking my eyelash curler, curling my lashes, applying a little bit of mascara, not a lot because I'm gonna be going in with falsies. For falsies, I'm gonna be using these individual lashes by Kalilis. This is what it looks like. So with these lashes, I'm going to be applying it under my eyelashes and not over. That way it's going to look a lot more natural. Okay, so the eyes are done. Let me finish the makeup on my other eye. And there you go. The other eye is also done. Moving on to the rest of my face, I'm going to be using this bronzer by Glowish. With the help of this, I'm going to be setting the cream bronzer that I applied earlier. I'm going to be intensifying my blush a little bit because on screen it's not dikh nahi raha hai. Real life mein, the blush is still visible, but because of the lighting, I think it is kind of washing my face out a little bit. I'm going to be using a powder blush. This is by Wet n Wild in the shade Pearlescent Pink. So just like the cream blush, I'm also going to be focusing this blush mostly on the apples of my cheeks and then pulling it outwards. And for highlighter, is it going to be a surprise for you guys? I'm going to be using my favorite, which is the Swiss Beauty one. So I'm not going to be using a lot of highlighter. I just want like a kiss of highlighter on the highest points of my face, not a lot. So last, for my lips, I'm going to be using this lip pencil by Kiko Milano. This is in the shade Chestnut, I believe, if I'm not wrong. I'm going to be slightly overlining my upper lip. For my lips, I'm going to be using the same cream blush that I applied on my cheeks. Not going to be using a lot, I'm going to be using very little. Then to finish my lips, I'm going to be using this lip gloss by Swiss Beauty to add a little bit more shine and poutiness to my lips. Sealing everything with a face mist. Okay, so there you go guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. In case if you did, then don't forget to like this video. Let me know in the comments below in case if you guys are going to be recreating this makeup look for your Valentine's Day. In case if you do, then don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. I would love to see your recreations. And that's all for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel. It really means the world to me. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and come follow me on Instagram because I'm active there the most. I love you guys so much. With that, you guys, I'm gonna take a leave and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye, Linda. Happy Valentine's Day.